Hi guys, good morning. Okay, any doubts from the previous class? Anything you want to know? Yes, no, answer. Okay, today I'll start with handling multiple web elements. Okay, like what do you mean by multiple web elements? How we are going to handle multiple datas at one place? How? How we are going to store multiple datas in Java? Am I audible?
Yes. लाइट ये बंद करके चलो फिर
I'm asking if there are multiple string values, like I'm having two, three string values, how to store multiple string values in Java
in a string array.
in a string array. Okay, in a string array, in array, we have to specify the size, but I don't want to like store it inside array. Without using array, how I can store?
In a list of arrays.
Yeah, we'll be using collections for that. That is list of arrays. See, to handle this multiple web elements, first of all, just simple thing is to handle multiple web elements, we will be using a method called as find elements method. Uh, on that day, we have made these checkboxes. Okay. First of all, what these are multiple elements present inside a web page or not? Multiple elements present. I want to click on A, B, C, D, E. Then again, I want to click on A, C, E. Then I want to click on D and B. What is the logic I'll be writing? You all will say me now. Driver dot get.
Will
Okay.
you select class here?
No, we
No.
cannot use.
Oh.
अच्छा checkbox है ना? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you why you will not. You can't use also. I'll tell you. Okay.
Uh,
First of all, we have to store all these web element inside a
array.
reference variable.
Reference variable.
It
Okay.
is like type is equal to checkbox double slash input
Input
bracket start at the
and
rate
the type.
type is equal to checkbox. Clear? See,
Yes.
all the five are getting highlighted. That means
Hmm.
multiple web element is now getting highlighted. Copy driver dot and elements by dot xpath. Okay, and the return type will be list of web element.
Okay.
Del
हेलो।
multiple
हाँ हाँ, कितने देर में? ठीक है ठीक है ठीक ठीक है ठीक है।
okay. What is this? It's a list
List.
and
Yeah.
this one is web element as it is written. This one is your
Reference variable. Right.
reference variable. And short I have only written web
Driver.
reference.
So, sir, are you trying to get all the check boxes?
Yeah,
All the check boxes in one time only you are trying to access.
yes. I'm storing all the checkboxes in one time, then I'll operate it.
Okay.
This find element is a abstract method. Present inside WebDriver interface. Return type is Star. And you know all those things like by is a class and normal will be taking static methods, all the locators are static methods, and you will be taking the value of that. Clear? But just note down this quickly. Next. The first thing what I have to do here is oh, oh, oh. The first question was click on all the checkbox. Okay, you say me the answer. How to do this?
Send keys, click.
Sorry?
Will be send keys, click.
No, no,
No?
no. Integer I is equal to 0. I is less than equal to all checkbox dot size plus. Then next question is I'll be clicking on even numbers. That means 2, 4. These two will get selected. That means the select this will these two will get unselected. How to do this?
We get even number from the for
We
loop.
can do this like I
Uh,
plus 2.
yeah, I plus equal to 2, not I plus 2.
Okay.
Simple. Once someone said like you have to write the code for even number. The same thing you can do here. Data is equal to 0. Size I plus equal to 2. Done. Now my question is, I want to click on alternative checkbox that is from reverse order.
We'll start from I1.
See, understand my question. Click on alternative checkbox in reverse order. That means from down I have to go.
Can we do I minus minus?
Yeah.
Please start from all checkboxes size -1.
Yes. All checkboxes.
-1.
Okay. Next.
Oh,
Next.
I is smaller than all checkbox dot size.
I smaller than or greater than
I greater than
equal to 0. Next. I minus
-2.
alternative or no? That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry. What happened? I am not sure. Just a minute. Okay, got my answer. Just take down.
Uh, we have to select the other two, right? But it is checking back those three here.
In reverse order, I'm checking. I'm in reverse order. Checking on alternative checkbox. This is like checking on the alternative checkbox in ascending order.
Okay.
It is on reverse order.
Okay. How about if we have to check the other two, like deselect the other two, just which were
You have to
remaining?
write again another for loop. You have to write for that.
Okay.
The same thing, same concept you have to use. Only the logics you have to change.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Take down this quickly.
Sir, if you don't mind, can you copy this and give it in chat because it's having big URL?
No, it's not a URL. You have to write this one. See, if I'll
No, no,
give
no.
also, it
Line number
will
15.
work.
Line number 15.
You have to write this one.
Okay, okay.
That like this URL will not work. My URL will not work in your system.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Just if you want, also take this HTML screenshot so that you can just write off the from that code. Yeah. Done. Now.
Sir,
Hmm.
if you don't mind, can you minimize your screen such that we can see entire program in a single screen?
It is entire program is in one screen only.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you're not concentrating or what?
No, no, sir. Checkboxes A, B, C, D is there, no, sir.
Sorry?
Checkboxes A, B, C, D is also there, no, sir.
Huh?
So That's right.
That's a different screen of HTML code. This one
Okay,
is
got it.
different. This one is different. This one is HTML code which is written. This one is the program to write the like how to click on the element.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Handling of checkbox is complete. Okay, how to handle multiple hyperlinks. Okay, how we can find multiple hyperlinks in a web page?
Attribute A.
Hey, what you are doing? Hmm. Yeah, what you are saying?
Href A we have, right?
Yeah,
Hyperlink.
yeah. All the hyperlinks is available in anchor tag A.
A. Yeah.
See, from this Mintra, what I want to fetch is I want to fetch all the hyperlinks which is present inside Mintra. All the hyperlinks present in the web page. How to do driver dot find
Element.
elements by
By
dot
XPath.
xpath. See, if I come here, double slash a, around once like 624 links it is with. It is actually some around 500 something it will be there. Double slash a. Find elements can be done. Tag name also can be done. I'll do with tag name. तो काम में आएगा ना. Name. Okay. Tag name as
Store in list of web elements.
hmm, okay. Whether the answer is correct or not, how we'll get to know? All
Print the size.
dot size. Good.
Yes.
Got clear?
Yes.
Now, next what I want to do is I want to print all the URL in my print all the URL. How to print all the URL?
For loop.
Okay. For
Equals to 0.
sorry. For web element links
Mhm.
to all links. Next links. Then what will be doing? Dot get attribute
Value.
got my point? Okay.
Sir, can you explain for loop once? Like,
Yeah, sure.
yeah, that syntax is very rare.
Think it's very easy than your for loop. I'll tell you. Okay, leave it. You'll get to know here only. Then what I want to do, I want to fetch all the text value of the hyperlinks, because all the hyperlinks will be present with respect to that hyperlink. Text values will be there. Okay, I want to fetch, or I want to get the text value of all the links. It's very simple. See, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than all the links dot size I plus plus. Now what you are doing? All links dot get of I dot get text. Now you got to know, Mercy, what I was saying,
So
or I'll
get attribute as href and get text will not be different.
no, no. See. That is different. Like href is a get attribute I'm using. I'll show you. Wait. See here. For
So
example,
I understood that that is what another thing, but the thing is the
I'm
for
ex-
loop design was different, right?
I'm
So
explaining that. I'm
yeah.
explaining that only.
Mm-hmm.
First, as someone was asking at that time, see, it is anchor tag A is present. Okay, first of all, what I did here is with respect to anchor tag A, I have fetched all the element links. Okay, this one. But my question was I want to print all the URLs. All the URLs is present in like attribute name and attribute value is there. With respect to attribute value, it is present. See, shop is equal to main shop slash omen. If I'll click on this omen, no. See, this one is
Mm-hmm.
changed or not.
Mm-hmm.
That means these all are present with respect to href. Href. That means this is the attribute name, this is the attribute value. To fetch what I did, I have given get attribute as href. That means it will return all the attribute value. But these are the text value.
Text.
Get
Yes.
attribute will return attribute value. But get text will return only the text value. The second, what I did was
Yes.
I want to fetch the text value. To fetch the text value, I have used get text method. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Now, second was you are asking for this for loop. See, always try one thing for this for loop. No, it is not seems to be always professional. Okay, here what I did, int I is equal to 0, I is less than equal to, or I is equal to, like we are thinking of that what is the reference variable I'll keep, from where I'll take this. We are thinking, but here you don't have to think. It's very simple as because I want to operate in this multiple web elements, take a for loop, take if it is integer, take integer, if it is string, take string, if it is like what type of data we are taking, take that, give a new reference variable, give your old reference variable. Internally, how it works, I'll show you. See, internally, what happens? For example, this link is having 10 values, correct? That means internally, what it will create an array like this. It will create an array like this, and it will store the data. For example, it will store as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, it is storing or not.
Yes.
But mm, That means if you are using this one, int I is equal to 0, I is less than equal to, like this you are using. How it works? That means first of all, we are considering I is equal to 0 and the value of 1 is 0, like the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct?
Correct.
Now, here what we are using, int I is equal to 0. That means it will come to 0 position and fetch the text value. Clear? Now, this for loop will iterate up to what? This for loop is going to iterate up to the size what it has fetched. That means the size is up to 5 it will fetch. That means I is equal to 0, then get text. It will fetch the value of like first position. Answer will be 1. If I is, then what it will do? I plus plus is there. Post increment is done. I value will change to 1. The again it is going to do that or not? But the same thing here it will do. All links means all links will store this. All links will store this value. Internally what it will do? Internally it will create a for loop like this, and the value present inside one first position will come and store inside this link. That means the get of I what we are using, this inside this new reference variable, it is going to store this. That's why what I did, links dot get attribute. That means the value which is present in the first position, second position, third position, it has fetched that. Clear up to this, or I need to explain it more?
Good, sir. Thank you.
Got it? Clear?
Yes.
And this is recommended whenever you are not using only for loop. Like if you like in a single iteration, it is recommended. But for 1 plus is equal to 2, 1 minus is equal to 2, you cannot use this for loop. Okay.
So, so how this for loop will understand where to end? Like we are giving here like less than all size
Internally, no,
dot.
see,
Okay.
that's what only I'm saying. This for loop will not work for any other iteration. I plus equal to 2, I plus equal to 3, it will not work.
Okay.
I minus equal to 2, minus equal to 3, it will not work. It
It
is
will
only
just
working,
one direction
yeah,
and
only
one by
working
one.
for I plus plus. That means internally it is creating this. Internally what happens? It is creating a integer value as 0, and from here, from this list of elements, it is creating the size and it is iterating in forward direction with single iteration.
Okay.
That's what I told you. Like internally, this expression it is creating. But moreover, everywhere also we are not using plus equal to 2, minus equal to 2. Many places we will be using with a single iteration in forward direction. So at that condition, you can take this. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Just take down this.
And sir,
Yeah.
the line number 27, we can replace it with the advanced for loop again,
Yeah,
right?
sure.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Just to show the, like to explain line number 21, I have done that.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
And another thing I want to clear to me, it's not advanced for loop. We call it as enhanced for loop.
Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you.
Okay, no, no, actually, you are correct. Many of people will say that this is advanced for loop, but actually, it is not advanced for loop. We call this as enhanced for loop.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yeah, got it. Got it. Thank
good. Okay, okay. Now I'll be get text completed, get all the broken links of a web page. Okay. How to get all the broken links of a web page? What do you mean by the broken links? Can anyone say?
Partial.
Partial
Bro-
mean?
Sir,
Broken link
link,
means
sir, link inside another link, sir.
No, no.
Links without href, I guess.
Without href, no.
Links which are not opening another tab.
I'll show you that. See. Let's see. All the URL what we are opening, no, it should be present with a domain name called as href. See, this one. Sorry, HTTPS we are using here. What is this? It's a protocol. Clear?
Yes, yes.
If it is not present with HTTPS, we can, like, we have to fetch all those. There is also like a extension. A good thing I'll show you. Manage extensions. Chrome. Check. See, it will automatically fetch. I'll show you.
Invalid links are broken ones.
Yeah, invalid links are broken ones. What happened here is the 200, those who's like those which is coming with 200, no, it is a good response link. Okay.
Hmm.
Recording in progress.
Actually, here it is not there. Just a minute. What is that? See, it is written with HTTPS or not. That means the response we get is 200. 200 means it's a good response. You can see here invalid link. That is our broken link. It is written how it is written. Got it?
Protocol
Without
without security.
Thing is that we have to write a code and we have to fetch it. How to fetch it? Can anyone say me?
we can add something like not equals to.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, this is the assignment for you. Try to
Um,
research and tell me tomorrow.
Can
sir,
you, sir,
based on the status code, which is not equal to 200,
Okay.
or which is equal to 0.
Based on the status code, no, not.
Actually, that status code is in Excel sheet, not in the page.
Yeah,
That
that
DOM
status
structure.
code I have used a extension just make you understand and visualize, but you can't get that status code. To get that status code, you have to go for performance testing, or like this you have to do. Okay, take this as assignment and do it. Try to save me.
sir,
Yeah,
can you repeat that? What's the exact question? What we want to do? You don't want to explain it?
I'm writing the question here only.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Try to open any web page or website. Okay, try to open any website and fetch how many number of broken links are present. This is the assignment for you all. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Do it.
Yes.
Write down the questions.
Yes,
So,
sir.
sir, if there is no,
See,
normally,
broken links means the link which is giving you response less than 400. How to get that? Try to do R&D and do it. Then I'll tell you. Okay.
okay. So we want to check whether the HTTP response is
You have to check for
less
the
than
response
200.
time. Yeah. See, with this HTTP also, no, it is showing as 300. This one also,
Mm-hmm.
see. This is showing
Mm-hmm.
300. This one is showing 0. That means the response code should be less than equal to 300. You try to do this one. It's now your
And
assignment.
less than 300 and more than 200, sir, right?
Yeah.
Because 200 is
Less
a good
than
response.
400, more than 200.
More than 200 to less than 400. Okay.
Hmm. Okay, good.
Sir, can you stop? I need to take a screenshot.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now coming to handling of auto suggestion. Give the heading as handling of auto suggestion. Okay, what do you mean by auto suggestion? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by auto suggestion?
The field throws an auto pop-up, sir.
Auto pop-up. Okay.
or the message that indicates this is mandatory field or it is not required like that? I mean,
No, no, no. For example, this is a text, like a text area or a text field. I want to send Selenium. Like I don't know what I want to search, but just I want, just in my mind it is came as Selenium. But I want to click on Selenium WebDriver. That means after entering Selenium in the text field, it is like suggesting something or not. This suggestion we call it as auto suggestion. Auto suggestion is a web element that automatically gets displayed in the web page whenever we enter some values. Clear?
yeah,
Okay.
got it, sir.
How to handle this? See. Is automation easy or it is very difficult?
If you are teaching, it's looking easy. When we write, it's difficult.
When we are practicing, it is being difficult or not? That's what I am asking.
I thought it is difficult, but you're making it is easy.
Yeah.
You need to.
When you write it there, it looks easier.
Mm.
It's easy in your screen. Hard in
In
my
my
screen.
screen. Nice. To me, you are practicing in your home. To me,
Yeah,
you are practicing all the questions.
yes. I haven't completed all the question, but I'm practicing because I joined late. So I'm trying.
Today I'll give again. I'll give more questions. What you will do?
Yeah, it will take time.
Practice, practice.
Okay.
Driver dot get.
Sir,
Yeah.
after this automation course, is there any course you are you are continuing?
If you want, I can.
Sir,
You want to learn?
we we need latest technologies, sir, apart from our automation with Selenium.
Hmm.
So because you are explaining very clearly line by line and what each word indicates, and you are executing everything, so many ways of identifying everything. So we like your way of approach, sir.
Okay.
This is my point of view.
I'll try. I'll try to reach out with many concepts for sure.
Thank you, sir. Sir, is there any personal website for you or
No,
personal channel?
no, no, no.
Okay, sir.
I can do that. See, someone is trusting me means I should keep that. That is my
Really, sir.
policy.
Really.
That's in case is Selenium. Okay. What happens here? See, if I'm sending Selenium, it is suggesting or not? I have to, but now in your mind it will be coming, sir. We can do indexing, we can do this. No, indexing is not allowed because every time the suggestion will be not in a proper place. That means I have to fetch all the text, then I have to match the text, then I want to click on Selenium WebDriver. How to do this?
Okay. So basically, we are just selecting something from the suggestions.
Yes. Not basically, like we have to select it from the suggestions only, because how to handle those auto suggestion I am teaching here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they are always not in the same order, you meant,
Yeah,
right?
it will not
That's
in
all.
the same order. No, that's what only
Mm-hmm.
I asked. If like actually it will be not in the same order, but still then also I want to click on this that specific element. See, I want to click on Selenium WebDriver. That means the first of all, what I need to do is I have to locate all those elements. Copy, find, double suspend, register. You have to search for, you have to search for such element or such attribute which will select all. See, all are getting highlighted.
Yes.
Copy driver dot and elements by dot xpath. Suggestion. Hmm? Well, something wrong. Huh? I ordered find elements. Huh? Done. That means using this Selenium text only we have sent Selenium, but it has fetched all those 13 elements.
We can also take the attribute values here, right? Or text values.
Why to take text? Yeah, we can take.
Means to select and match and
That one I'm doing here.
Okay.
Size less
Got
than
it, got it.
equal to church size plus text.
Hmm.
Text dot suggestion. What I did here is I have fetched all the text values. Okay, then I am printing those text value, and I'm also inside this for loop I'm matching whether this text is matching with Selenium WebDriver or not. Till it is not getting match, this for loop will run. When it will get match, it will go inside and click on the Selenium WebDriver, then it will break over there because the page is going to change, or else it will throw exception. Clear? Got it? See, it has also not thrown any exception. Am I clear with this concepts what I taught you today?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys. You want to take out some has
Why did you did in line number 22, why did you did -1 here?
okay. I did -1 because this size what I am fetching, no. Like it is being fetched from one, like this counting is starting from one, but I am taking from 0. Okay, always if all suggestion that it is taking around, see, it is taking 13, no, from 1 to 13 it will take, but internally it is holding 1 to 12, 0 to 12. That means total number is 13. Here it is throwing exception as index bound exception. Like that element is not present. That's why I have done it as -1.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Anything more?
Yeah, sir. After getting the text, uh, so in this case, we have to click on this in the from the auto suggestion. We have to click on the Selenium WebDriver, and we need that Selenium WebDriver on our search bar. That's what we are doing here.
Yes,
Uh,
that's what I
okay.
was doing.
Okay.
My concern
So,
was the text value may be anything. For example, I have sent some text. For it may be any text. Okay, like I have sent here, like many suggestions are coming like this or not.
yes.
But in which suggestion you want to hit enter, you know that. That means that text value, my concern was, I have just entered the partial value, I have stored it, I have fetched it. But that text value should, the value which like I am wanting should match with the text what I have fetched. Whenever it will like match, I'll click on that. Whether if it is not matching, I'll not click. That's why if statement I have used.
Oh, okay. So if the Selenium when we give Selenium on the search bar, and if the Selenium WebDriver is not in the suggestions,
It will not
so
click.
it will not work. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Any more doubts, guys?
Sir, we are not identifying the order where the position of the Selenium WebDriver is present in the search engine. I mean, on the suggestions.
See. That thing you have, that's why I said, you have to practice. That is all about the locators part. That means what you have to do, you have to see how I did. I'll show you. I'll show you once. Try to understand my concept. Okay. See, locators, no one can teach you or else. You have to try to know the concepts, how it works. See, I have searched Selenium. Okay. First of all, what that means, my point is, after entering the data, I have to fetch all those things. Go here, click. See, inside span, it is there or not? Selenium is there or not?
Yeah.
What I did, copy, find. The way I am doing, I'm saying that. Span, bracket start, dot equal to Selenium. What happened? One of one it came. But I need one of one. No, got my point? Then what I did, I just went to the immediate parent here. See, you can see the immediate parent. If you will cut this and will come here, so it is getting highlighted or not? Just I picked the class, copy, division at the rate. See, and so everything is getting highlighted. Then what I did, I have done back traversing till the entire text is getting highlighted. See, that means all
Yeah.
the text now getting highlighted. I went to the direct parent, the entire text is getting highlighted. That's why I have used this. It needs practice. After practicing, you can get all those things. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
If you know about the locators properly, and if you are having minimum knowledge of Java concept, you can do automation for sure, I'm saying. But locators is very important, and like for loop, while loop, if else conditions, these are the things you should know. Inheritance of Java, collections part, if you know the basics also, you can do. Okay, any more doubts? No.
No, sir.
Okay, have a good day, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Bye bye, sir. Thank you.